Hello everybody, YTG here. So in today's lecture, we will be backtesting ICT silver bullet strategy. But before doing that, we will discuss what this silver bullet strategy really is. So in silver bullet strategy, you have to trade between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. New York time. Okay, the timing is 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. So in between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m., you will get a fair value gap, and once the gap gets filled, you will long the market or short the market depending on wherever the market is headed. If the market is going down and the gap gets filled, you have to short it. If the market is going up and the gap gets filled, you have to long it. So in this strategy, we will discuss, we will backtest the strategy if it really works or not. So we will check today's price. So the timing is this. You have to select UTC New York. Okay, so we have to draw a vertical line at 10 a.m. New York time, and you have to use 1 minute or 30 seconds. Okay, I'm using 1 minute here. So let me draw a vertical line at 10 a.m. Okay, and the next line you have to draw it there 11 a.m. and this is your 11 a.m. So you can see the market is going down. So we have to short the market. But first, we will look for the fair value gap. Once fair value gap gets filled, we have to short the market. Let's see if it works or not. So we got our first gap here. So we will be waiting for it to get filled, but you can see it didn't get filled. Then we got another fair value gap here. Okay, this was the fair value gap. This was the fair value gap, and you can see the price traded up into this fair value gap. So according to silver bullet strategy, you have to short the market here. Okay, we have to put your stop loss above the recent trend high, and usually the target is 5 handle, but you can short it till 11 a.m. So you can see it has really worked today. Okay, the target is this one. So the silver bullet strategy really has worked today. Let's see if it has worked yesterday or not. So we will shift to yesterday's 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. But okay, so this is yesterday's price action. This is our 10 a.m. We draw a vertical line here at 10 a.m. Okay, then we draw a vertical line at 11 a.m. Okay, so again, we will look for a fair value gap. Okay, so here you can see no fair value gap. Still, there is a fair value gap. Okay, and the price has traded down to that fair value gap. You can see the price has come down. So you have to long here because the market is going up. According to ICT silver bullet strategy, you have to put your stop loss here. So let's see what we get. So it has worked here too. So I think this strategy really works because the stop loss is usually a small one. So you can put in some traders by this strategy. If you have any question regarding this, you can ask me. This was all about silver bullet strategy, and in my opinion, it really works.